Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're gonna do in this video is claim our COPI SPO rewards. So, for those of you that don't know, Cornucopias has had a SPO going on. So, not an initial stake pool offering, but they have a stake pool offering where you can stake your or delegate your Cardano to a specific pool and earn some COPI tokens. So you'd forfeit your COPI rewards and you would earn that instead. So let's go to one of my wallets where I'm doing that. This is where we're going to stake it. And if you guys get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe, comment down below, say hello to the moose. So this is the wallet we're going to go over. This is my Trezor Model T. So I've got that plugged in and we're going to claim some of our rewards. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. Might as well. I've already done this, but if you guys want, I will definitely continue to be educating you guys going forward as well. So that video was back here. Not how to buy, how to claim COPI tokens. So ISPO, this should be the SPO. So I'm going to have to retitle that. So it's an SPO. It's not the initial. It's just the pool offering. So if you guys want, you can stake or delegate to the COPI C, so the COPIC pool. And instead of earning the new ADA supply, you'll be earning COPI tokens. So you're going to go to drip drops. Okay. So by the way, I do have a tutorial. If you guys go here, type in, I don't know, how to stake COPI maybe. Something like that. Right here, COPI stake pool. It's this video a month ago. That means it's time. So COPI stake pool launch, your step-by-step guide tutorial. The moose has your back, right? Maybe you have, I don't know, a bully and they don't have, like, they're picking on you and, your friends don't have your back, but the moose does. The moose is looking out for you, clearly. Like, I'm doing all these tutorials. So that's important. So first step is to check your rewards. We're going to go to our NAMI wallet. This could be done with a hot wallet, whatever it may be. We're going to go here. We're going to copy the address or use your handle. So we're on dripdrops.io. I will provide links for you guys in the link tree or in the description. Okay, so we have that. And you can see all these different tokens. And it's not just COPI, but other tokens as well. So as you're holding COPI, instead of earning an airdrop, sometimes you can claim your reward through drip drops. Okay, so yeah, it's typically just a partnership with, the company and whatnot. So you can see the value. There's some drip tokens, but they're not worth a lot. It's not worth claiming. Here I can pick up some Igon, so I might do that. Moose might get loose on some Igon. But the real deal right here is COPI. So it's not worth a lot, but it's worth it for the tutorial to show you guys what to do. So we're going to check off the ones that we want here. Okay, so all you're going to do is go to drip drops, put in your address, start checking off the tokens you want to claim. So now we're going to go through, make sure there's nothing else. I recommend, you're going to have to sign a quick transaction. So might as well check off some other things as you go. Maybe some more stripper coins for the moose if he sees any. Hosky, you never know. Some of these could just go nuts. Typically they're not worth a lot. But again, you have your value kind of lower for at least the verified tokens, I believe. Catski, just terrible memes. Unbelievable. Lobster, so we got Jordan Peterson's token right there. There we go. So here we're going to go to, you're going to sign the agreement here, right? So the total value is 17 ADA, so around $6, not a lot. But here we're going to click on claim my drops, okay? So claim my drops. And now we're going to send a transaction to this address that it shows us, okay? So complete the withdrawal by processing, sending 4 ADA to the above address. Okay, so here we will earn, the recipient will earn this, okay? So here you can go recipient number 1 pending. So if we go here, and I'm wondering, it is interesting. I'm wondering if I could claim for somebody else too, which is interesting. Very interesting. So this is the pending. This is what we'll get, 156 ADA. So if we look, or sorry, COPI. So we have 190,849. So we should see that number go up. So we're going to copy this address. And we're going to sign this transaction. So we're going to send 4 ADA to this address. You can do it in a different fashion, but we're going to do 4 ADA, send, confirm. And as you know, the Moose is typically using a hardware wallet. Allow once, standard. So now we're just going to sign the transaction using our ledger. Man, the Moose's eye is still messed up a bit. So it says here, follow instructions on your ledger. So we're going to make sure we're good. 0.16, cool. Sign the transaction, boom. So that's why you want a hardware wallet, because somebody hacks your computer, they just sign transactions. So 190,849, we want to see that number go up. So this will take a few minutes. You know, could take up to a half hour or something, who knows. But once this transaction's done, then they're going to receive the ADA, and then you're going to receive your reward. So that's how you claim your rewards for the COPI SPO pool. So here you're starting to see it. It's all pending right now. I assume it'll just take some time. But Cornucopias, guys, a AAA level game. Guys, use the link tree, okay? So maybe I'll even provide something here. If you guys are interested, if I get more than 50 likes on this video, I will add it to the link tree. But if we get less than 50 likes, then I'm not even going to add a quick link for you guys. So here I have like links to buy a hardware wallet, save up to 25% off your Tangem, ledgers, treasures, whatever it may be, right? So that's cool. NFTs, your COPI node. So if you guys haven't picked up a file node, you only have like a week left, at least for Cardano, for tier 6. So you're getting a significant discount on this. You have to get loose if you're interested. Not financial advice. Invest at your own risk. Take an online course. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crypto online courses. These are awesome. These are great. I'm going to be doing more sales on those. Staking, delegating. So maybe I'll even have a claiming feature, but only if we get 50 likes. So basically you'll be able to scroll down here, claim drip drops. You know, I'm going to make it easier for you guys. Okay. So that's about it, man. Like, let's see if this number's changed. No, it's going to take some time. But anyways, that's how you do it. Comment down below. Moose getting loose. See you in the next one.